Hello. Now let us see installation of MongoDB. So for this one, you need to install three things. So generally, if you want to perform some action, either you will do it using commands or you will do just like clicking some buttons or selecting something. So that is nothing but CLI and GUI in our terms, like command line interface and graphical user interface. But before downloading those, you need to download the main MongoDB. So totally we are having three parts to be installed in latest version and some of the versions. Along with this community edition itself, Compass and Shell will be downloaded. If not, you need to download it manually, which we are going to see. So firstly, coming to community edition, it is nothing but the main actual MongoDB you are going to download. Then Compass is like graphical user interface. MongoDB Shell is like command line interface, CLI. So coming to Compass, there you can automatically install the latest version if you are having older version. Otherwise, you can just follow this entire video and please like, share and subscribe to get more videos related to this subject. So now, firstly, we will see one by one installations. And if you are getting any errors during installation or anything, you can just drop in the comment section. But remember that while copying the URI, don't keep that left and right arrows. You need to remove those and type your user password. That one we are going to see for MongoDB Atlas. But here, as of this MongoDB, it is not that much required because you will be connecting to localhost. Now let us see the how to perform. Hello everyone. Now let us see how to install the MongoDB Compass as well as MongoDB Shell. So firstly, the main thing which you need to install is MongoDB Community Edition, because to work with Compass or anything, firstly you need to have MongoDB setup. So that will be provided by the community server. So MongoDB community server download. So once you click on it, you can get the first link. Just click on that and here you can directly see it. And here there are some of the commands if you want to install on Mac OS or if you are working on Windows, or here based on your operating system you can just select, like you are having multiple operating systems. And always you need to install the latest versions. And also one more point is in MongoDB Compass or some of the tools, automatically the latest version will be updated. Now here if you observe, I automatically got the current version. And here again platform Windows 64-bit. As per my system I am selecting. And coming to package, you can install MSI or zip. MSI is mostly preferred because you can install it very much easily. So you can choose MSI and then click on download. Then it starts downloading. Since I have already downloaded, I will just show you how that file looks like. So here you can see something like x86 64 signed. So this one you can see Windows installer package. You can double click on this one and it will ask you permissions and everything. You can select working directory and give all the details. Details is nothing but just you need to accept and you need to proceed. Accept, agree, continue, and then finally click on install. And some of these community editions will install Compass automatically. Here in search, you can just type MongoDB and it will automatically show you Compass. So let us say if you are using any older version or in some systems automatically it does not come. So then you need to install Compass as well as MongoDB Shell manually. So how can you do that? Now let me show you. You can just go back and here just type MongoDB Compass. Compass download. Then you can see you are getting like this and GUI. So MongoDB Compass is nothing but it's a GUI application, nothing but graphical user interface. Now here you can scroll down. Automatically everywhere it will be the latest versions, or if you install older version also, even in that when you open that Compass it will automatically recommend you due to the AI feature. And again here you can select your operating system. It is 64-bit, and since mine is Windows 10 I have selected 10 plus. 10 plus also supports 10, and here you are having a single package exe. You can directly download this one, Compass. Even it will be getting downloaded, and after downloading again you need to install it. So like this you will be getting like some square shape symbol. On double clicking and accepting to the conditions, it will be installed faster. Then comes Mongo Shell. So for this, here itself if you observe, here it is MongoDB Compass GUI. Just before it, you will be having MongoDB Shell. So Shell is nothing but just like a CLI. Compass is GUI, Graphical User Interface. Whereas Shell is CLI, Command Line Interface. Nothing but just like how you will have command prompt or Windows PowerShell, such or terminal in Ubuntu and Linux. Similarly, specifically for MongoDB, there is something called as Mongo Shell. And even you can install this one. And here don't install zip, select MSI and just click on download. After downloading here you will be getting like Mongo SH. So totally you will be downloading all these three. Actually only one is enough. If with this one you cannot find MongoDB Compass or Mongo Shell, then you can download those both manually. And after downloading you need to install by double clicking on it and accepting to terms and conditions. Now let us verify. Now I am typing Mongo SH. So in some systems you will be getting separately a new terminal. So here I need to configure my localhost. So how can I know about my localhost? That one firstly you need to connect via Compass. I am just opening it. Here since I have already worked with MongoDB for a longer time, I am having these many things. You can select any one and click on connect. Or for suppose if you are having a new connection. So let us say initially you are not having it. So it will show you left side empty and here you will be having add new connection. Click on that and default port number is 27017. You can click on save and connect. Since I have already saved, I am directly connecting it. You can see connected to localhost. So these are all the databases which I am having. So you will be having some of the default databases like admin and config and local also. In few there will be only two databases. Here I am configuring my port number 27017. You can see it got connected. Now let me verify. Show DBS. It is a command which is used to display all the databases. So like this, you can set up entire MongoDB environment. Or let us say, in some of the versions, you can't get Mongo SH even though after installation you can't find it. Then what you can do is, you can go to terminal, nothing but command prompt in Windows, and just type Mongo SH. So automatically it configures and goes there. Now I am typing show DBS. You can see I got the list. This is how you work with installation, and you can verify those installations. Mongo Shell as well as MongoDB Compass. So in the next sessions, we are going to see how to perform CRUD operations and different types of operations in this MongoDB, as well as one more advantage is this is a cloud database. So before working with MongoDB hands-on, in the next video we will see the actual part. So that's it for this lecture. In the next lecture we are going to see about cloud MongoDB. That is nothing but MongoDB Atlas. Thank you.